Hey guys, welcome back to Ultimate Beauty. On this lovely negative 25-degree January day, I did an LA Rams look for you guys in honor of the Super Bowl this weekend. If you're interested in the Patriots look, I did one last year. It's in the description box. You can follow the link. So without any further ado, let's get started on our Super Bowl LA Rams inspired makeup look. I'm going to take an eyeshadow primer. This one's from Mott. And put that all over the eye so all the colors go on nice and opaque. So I'm going to start with the crease color from my Urban Decay Heavy Metals palette. So we're going to start with this yellow gold shade and run that through the crease. And we're going to extend it out a little bit, start to wrap it around the eye, sort of like a ram's horn. Now onto the lids, we're going to use a blue eyeshadow shade. So I couldn't find the perfect shade for the LA Rams. So I'm going to mix two. I'm going to start with this shade from N.Y.C, from their Avant palette, and top it with this blue shade from their Ultimate Edit Petite palette. And then in with our darker shade. So then I'm going to go in with a gold eyeliner. This one is from Beauty For Real. And run that along the top lash line. Then I'm just going to take an angled brush and sort of blend it just a little. Then we're going to take a white eyeliner pencil and run that along the lower waterline. We're going to go back in to the crease with the gold and wrap it around a little bit more. We're going to take this white shade from the N.Y.C palette and put it through the brow bone, in the inner corners, and a little under the eye. So then we're going to take a mascara. This one I can't pronounce, but it's awesome. And put that on the top and bottom lashes. I don't really feel like contouring and highlighting with blue and gold, so I'm just going to quickly do my regular contour. I didn't have the perfect blue lipstick shade either, so I'm going with 2 from N.Y.C, both liquid suede. This one is Little Denim Dress, and this one is Jet Set. And I'm going to mix the two together to get the shade I want. See? Kind of getting there. Almost forgot. It'll work a lot better if I put concealer over my lips first. So then I'm going to take a little bit of glitter adhesive gel and some loose glitter from Sally's and put that on my top lip. And here we have our finished LA Rams inspired makeup look. Thanks for watching, guys. Enjoy the game. If you're interested in a Patriots makeup look, I did one last year. You can follow the link in the description box to that. I'm looking forward to the commercials and Maroon 5 because they're my favorite band. I'll see you next time. Bye.